empirical formula problem, we're going to follow the same protocol: grams of each element, moles of each element, mole ratio of elements one to another. We're given amounts of our elements in percentages, so if we assume exactly 100 grams of the compound, that immediately converts our percentages to grams. So we know the grams of fluoride is 24.25 grams, the grams of tin, 75.75 grams. We convert to moles by using the atomic weight from the periodic table as a type of conversion factor. Fluorine has an atomic weight of 19.0 grams per mole, and tin is 118.71 grams per mole. We do the indicated math, division, in order to determine how many moles we have of each element, and we end up with 1.28 moles of fluorine and 0.64 moles of tin. It certainly appears to be a 2-to-1 mole ratio. Let's say it's not obvious. We divide by the least number of moles. And we see that for every 2 moles of fluorine, we have 1 mole of tin. But we want to write the metal first in our chemical formula, so this is SnF2.